Okay guys, we're now draining after the other rinse. I kind of stopped the video by mistake. It's a new video, there you go. I'll just go and fill up. Lucky these are all going. Can't have any.
We're getting near to program F, we are.
F is special treatments.
Last rinse.
Often known as soft no rinse.
When it comes to the generic term and all that, just going to zoom it in a bit.
Oh yeah, some has been leaking.
A little bit leaky, isn't it?
It's caked up.
A little bit unbalanced, nothing too bad. If this was towels, it was suds lot like crazy, that was.
Yeah, we've got towels to use.
Really? Really?
Yes.
In the Sigmatic or the service?
Depends.
Whatever feels good.
Probably in the serves, at least quicker.
Is it?
Well, I need a glass of water now.
Not surprised.
TO21 is set stop.
What?
The TO21 set stop.
Did it?
Yeah.
Oh, bad. And we're draining for last rinse. Sorry.
Raining.
Stopping for last rinse.
Filling. Fill through pre and softener.
And the pressure's already on maximum, isn't it?
Each now.
We're going to try and get rid of them, are we?
Want the crisps? Look.
Get the whole packet gone.
Yes. You're going to eat them.
Oh, yeah.
Your bill stop. I needed them.
Once the hose is finished, then we can disconnect the hose and put that all away, can't we?
Yeah.
That's going to do the half high rinse, is it? Oh, no, it
So.
isn't. No, it's just clicked off now, so it's done. It's done. Final rinse.